welcome back to my channel again. So by the title you already know कि इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे क्या शेयर करने वाली हूँ. And I'm really very excited because I will be sharing my top 6 lipsticks for this festive season. So as you all know that festive season is around the corner and I will be sharing my top 6 lipsticks with you guys which you can actually shop for yourself for this upcoming festive season. So I know that things are not same exactly it used to be, but of course shopping करना हम बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ सकते. And I know that जितने भी लोग वहाँ हैं, just take care of yourself and just go and shop and feel good and घर पे फोटो शूट कर सकते हैं यार. So you know feel good about it, but safely से shopping करना अगर आप online purchase कर रहे हैं. So please sanitize all your packages at least for 24 hours. So now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first lip balm which I suggest you guys is this one, which is from Lakme, and the color is really beautiful. So the packaging is quite basic. It's a glossy packaging. So the price of this one is $275, and so they have the shade number right here, and this is a sticker जिसके ऊपर CP7. So guys, this is a beautiful shade. This is a pink color lipper, and this is a very beautiful lipstick, and I'm wearing it right now, and this is very creamy. इतने अच्छे से आप इसको ग्लाइड कर सकते हैं अपने लिप्स पे, एंड आई एम श्योर कि ये फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए परफेक्ट शेड है बिकॉज यू कैन पेयर दिस लिपस्टिक with a lot of outfits of yours. It is a must buy because this is very inexpensive. You can go and buy this shade for yourself. The next lipstick which I'll suggest you guys is from Maybelline, and this is a beautiful purpley shade. So this is the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline New York, and the shade is 40 Believer, and the packaging is quite basic because of course जो color आपको इसके अंदर मिलने वाला है, you can see it from here. So अगर आप इसको बहुत सारे अपनी लिपस्टिक के बीच में रखते हैं, so it's quite great. So you know it's quite easy for you to find out the lipper from your lipstick. So guys, this is a beautiful shade, and just the applicator head looks like this. And this is a perfect shade for this upcoming festive season. And if you like some bold colors like this, then you should definitely go and buy this one. So let's move on to the next color, and the next color is this from Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream. And so I have reviewed this lipstick, and you can just go and check that review. I'll leave that in the description bar for you guys. This is a beautiful red shade. I really like the applicator, and the shade is golden red. If you really want to go and buy a perfect red shade for this upcoming festive season, this one is the best red shade available in the market. And guys, the best part is that you can just get this lipstick for 100 rupees, and it's a great deal because right now in the market you'll not get such an expensive lipstick, and the quality of this one is really very good. So if you are a person who loves red, you should just go and definitely buy this one for yourself. Next color which I'll suggest you guys is from ADS, and the packaging is very cute. It looks very nice, and so the shade is 25. It's written right here at the bottom of this lipstick, and this is a very beautiful shade. So this is a wine lip gloss. This is very inexpensive, and the applicator is exactly like the Swiss Beauty Matte Lip Cream. And guys, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा creamy lipstick है, so you should definitely go and try this one out. This is a perfect bold lip color for you guys, and if you are a person जिसको bold lip colors पहनना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, you should definitely go and buy this one. And आप एक shade try करके और भी अपने लिए shades buy कर सकते हैं. Because the next shade which I will be sharing with you guys, तो ये उन लोगों के लिए है जिनको इतने bold lip colors wear करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, and you like some subtle nude color. So I am suggesting 2 lipsticks for you guys. Is this one which is from Sugar, and the best part about this lipstick is that everything is mentioned right here and also here. So this collection is Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick, and the shade is 01 Browning Glory. I really like this shade a lot. This is a perfect nude color, and this is very creamy. बहुत ज़्यादा easily आप इसको अपने lips पे glide कर सकते हैं, and single stroke इतना beautiful इसका color payoff है. Person who's finding a perfect nude for yourself, you can definitely go and buy and try this one out. So the next shade is this, which is from Faces Canada. I really like this lip color, and this is a crayon lipper. So you have to sharpen it again and again. I really like this color a lot. This is a beautiful nude pink shade. And if you're a person who doesn't like a lot of bold lip colors, then this is a perfect nude pink shade for you. I would really recommend you this one, and this is a very beautiful, very creamy lipstick, and the color payoff is amazing, you guys. So you should definitely go and try this one out. So this brings me to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give this video a big fat thumbs up because that would mean the absolute world to me. If you have any lipstick, or if you buy any lipstick after watching this video, do let me know in the comments below because I would love to know that. That's it for this one. Just go and hit that subscribe button right now because that would mean a lot to me. And do like this video because of course it will help me reach more people. Leave your request in the comment section below. I would love to know that and I would fulfill it for you guys. So yeah, that's it for this one. I shall see you in the next one. Till then, you all stay happy, keep smiling, and don't forget to spread smile near you. Bye guys.